Hello everyone, this side CS Arjun Chabra and I believe every one of you is doing absolutely good. I am doing good as well. So before starting this video, I want to request each and every one of you, please watch this video till the end because there are many things in this video which you guys might need to know. So the most important and awaited announcement is CA Foundation Law Marathon. Yes, you guys heard it right. We are meeting live on 17th of October from 10 AM onwards. So be fully prepared guys, be pumped up, be full of energy. We are going to rock this time. And I want to tell all those students who have recently joined our YouTube family that I have already given a gift on 15th of August, that is on Independence Day. Free CA Foundation Law and BCR classes. Many of students missed those lectures. So they requested me ki sir please avail those lecture for us. So I want to tell those students ki you can download my app from Play Store, that is Arjun Chabra tutorial. Once you download it, register yourself, go to the store, you can find it here. Go to the store. In that store you will find CA exams, foundation, inter and final. Click there. Okay, so now you will get to know that all the products I am having for CA Foundation, important question and answer, business laws. So the revision, live revision lecture that you guys have missed will be here. This is here, Brahmastra revision lectures. So those are recent live lectures we have taken. We have taken almost for 19 days, 3 hours per day. So this is that live revision lecture, and this is Bullseye revision lecture. This is for those students who have already done with the concepts, done with the revision. They just need to know how questions come in the main examination, how the practical case studies are there. So if you need to know about that questions exam point of view, so you can take Bullseye revision lectures. In that Bullseye revision lectures, I have completed almost 74 plus case studies with answers. So if you are done with the lectures, you are done with the regular lectures, you can go for the Bullseye revision lectures. And if you need to revise the whole concept in depth, like you need to know all the concept, all the important concept in depth, you can definitely opt for Brahmastra revision lectures. And I want to request all those live learners, those who have already taken those live revision lectures from me, please comment below in the comment box so that this new YouTube family members can get to know about the importance of these lectures. So this is about those who have missed those revision lectures. Secondly, please join the Telegram group which is given there here in the below. Telegram for CA Foundation. Go to the Telegram app, go to the search engine, type app space CA space foundation. You will get the group. Please join that group because sometimes what happens when we take live sessions, sometimes some technical issue encountered, power goes off. So we instantly message that there is a technical issue or power cut off. We will get back to you instantly. For all those updates and latest updates, notes and lectures, live sessions, please join that Telegram group. Apart from that, please let me know how's the Josh. How's the Josh? Comment below. Comment below how's the Josh. And yet, if you haven't subscribed my channel or our channel, you are missing something very important. I want to request all those students who have already taken the live session, please comment below how was that live session so that the new family members get to know the importance of those lectures. And please comment below how's the Josh for 17th of October. This is Arjun Chabra signing off until we meet live.